My name's Kalen. I'm a student with the PC1 program. That's the Professional Cook 1 program at Coast Mountain College. Cooking's always felt like a very human thing to do. We all eat, just seemed practical. I mean, the teachers are very hands-on, very interpersonal, small classes. You really sort of feel like you're almost being tutored personally here. So we do a mainline hotline 4 days out of the week, which gives us time to practice our skills, practice different recipes, learn how to read menu items, recipe items, and also get a handle on our execution and timing. You know, for young students that don't know certain things about the kitchen, for example, like how to present yourself, how to carry yourself in that environment, it's certainly excellent for that. It certainly prepares you basic cooking for PC1, and I think anybody that takes this program can pretty much step out on their own entry-level position in any restaurant. PC1 is split up into stations, just like most restaurants. We have our bake shop, which is located behind you there. We're standing on meat and seafood, as you can see right here, my favorite station. We have our veg station, entremet right there, and then right behind us we have our main line and our garde-manger station. So you kind of rotate in blocks, 3 weeks in each station to kind of get a feel of what that might be like in a kitchen. I certainly would recommend this course for anybody who is entry level, coming in green to the kitchen, wants to sort of get a feel for what the environment is like before they really jump in with both feet. I think this gives you a great taste. Certainly the knowledge that we're given as well is very handy. My plans are a little up in the air, but I do plan on opening something myself one day in Terrace.